PFIP was actually started like 5 years ago, which is 11 years, or 11 years ago, sorry. What I meant was that it started with just 5 member organizations in the financial services. ANZ, Deutsche Bank, HSBC, Thomson Reuters, and Wells Fargo. So,
But wait,
JP Morgan Chase.
Wells came later.
Correct, that came in later. So we started by just having a simple lunch that was sponsored by then our chair, John Nichols. We said, you know what, why don't we build a community of practice where we can share best practices with each other, what's happening in your organization around having an inclusive workplace. It all started there.
And this is again 10 years ago, ha?
10 years
Iba
ago,
yung,
yes.
Iba yung landscape nun, aminin natin.
Oh my God, 10 years ago,
nun.
absolutely, Isa. 10 years ago, we were just 5. You know, and at that time, when we were starting, you know, we had our, we had our launch at that time, you know, the launch of PFIP. And we find it very difficult to actually attract organizations to join us. Primarily because, you know, what is this about, what is happening? Because at that time, probably close to not this, the conversation around LGBT in a workplace is a taboo conversation.
It wasn't happening yet.
It wasn't happening yet.
Yeah.
And I think PFIP, one way or the other, paved the way to start to have that conversation, not just having that conversation around inclusion, but taking certain action to validate that. Case in point, having equal benefits, for the members of the community. At that time, insurance organizations, the HMO, the company will provide that to you. However, you need to follow certain hierarchy. If you're married, you need to be if you're single, it's your parents and your siblings, etc. But if you're an LGBT and you have a partner, you cannot. And that's something I think that we should really be proud of. In 2014, 2015, that's when organizations start to see the value of having that inclusion policy in place. And at that time, I think if you ask all of our healthcare providers, it becomes a norm rather than an exception to offer that kind of benefits to the members of the LGBT community. So, it's a plus.
So it's